Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Dodge Challenger drift car, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Fast and the Furious movie series, and specifically this is from the Furious 7. So let's open this and see how it looks. So here it is. Here is a closer look of it. So this looks really nice. So this green with black looks really amazing. The paint job is really nice. And the spoiler is made of metal. The rims looks really nice. It has some great detailing to it, specifically for the price point. So I'm just trying to show you guys the interior. Hope you guys can able to see it. Let me just try to refocus it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.